জয় শ্রদ্ধার SMDCৰ সভাপতি তথা অন্যান্য সদস্যবৃন্দসকল, শ্রদ্ধার অন্য বিদ্যালয়ৰ পৰা অহা শিক্ষক বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল, মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি আমাৰ প্ৰাতঃসভাৰ কাৰ্যসূচী শেষ। ইয়াৰ পিছত আমাৰ শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ এক্সটাৰ্নেল আমাৰ প্ৰফেসৰ ৰফিক ডাঙৰীয়াক মই চমুকৈ দুই এষাৰ কোৱাৰ কাৰণে অনুৰোধ ৰাখিলোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
শ্রদ্ধার জনপ্রিয় হাইস্কুলের প্রধান শিক্ষক মহোদয়, মোর কলিগ এক্সটার্নাল ইভ্যালুয়েটর ডক্টর মহসুদ্দিন আহমেদ স্যার, এই স্কুলের সন্মানীয় শিক্ষাগুৰুসকল, লগতে মোৰ অতি মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, যিকেই নহওক মই আপোনালোকৰ এইখন স্কুলত এক্সটাৰ্নাল ইভ্যালুয়েটৰ হৈ যদিও আহিছোঁ, তথাপিতো মই আপোনালোকৰে এজন হিচাপে মই নিজকে বিবেচিত কৰিছোঁ। মই এই চেগতে সিমান যদিও এতিয়া মানে বক্তৃতা দিয়াৰ সিমান এটা হেৰি নাই, সময়ো নাই, তথাপি সংক্ষেপে মই এই স্কুলৰ শিক্ষাগুৰুসকলৰ উপলক্ষে দুই এষাৰ কথা ক'ম যে আমি শিক্ষক প্ৰতিজনে আমি শিক্ষা কাৰ্যৰ লগত জড়িত। এই চেগতে মই ক'ম যে শিক্ষক হ'বলৈ হ'লে if you want to determine myself as a good teacher, then we should to have some special quality like friend, philosopher and guide. If we do not have such type of quality like friend, philosopher and guide, then it is sure that we will not able to maintain our future life. So from the very beginning, as a teacher, we should to have some special quality. Special quality makes a man perfect. And I would like to request all the teachers of this school that they should to give importance on moral education. If we do not give importance on moral education, or if we do not give importance, or if we do not give moral education of our coming generation, then it is sure that we will not able to maintain our future life. For the interest of our future life, we should to give more and more importance on moral education. So I highly request all the teachers of this school that at the very beginning they should to give importance on moral education. They should to have proper knowledge about moral education. And another thing I would like to request all the teachers that they should to give importance on all-round development of our students. In this sense, father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, M.K. Gandhi, he have a good definition regarding education. He told that by education I mean an all-round development of the child, his body, mind and spirit. If we do not give importance of all-round development of our coming generation, then we will not able to build a good nation, we will not able to build a good society. Therefore, I would like to request all the teachers of this school that they should to give importance on all-round development of our coming generation. And another thing I would like to say that all the teachers, they should to know, they should to give importance on psychology. Because psychology is the science of mind, psychology is the science of behavior, psychology is the science of consciousness. If we do not know about psychology, then we will not able to success in our teaching profession. Therefore, from the very beginning, we should be studying of our coming generation or of our students. So, from the very beginning, they should to give importance on it. Then it is sure that we will success. So, in fine, I have offered heartfelt congratulations to all of them. Thank you.
So many thanks to Honorable Evaluator Rafiq sir. I hope in this conference, here 3 school teachers arrived. I hope all teachers will follow which speech delivered by Mr. Rafiq sir, and so many congratulations who have arrived here.